Audible Affiliate Creator Program Sign Up. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to apply or sign up for the Audible Creator Program. So over here, as you can see, we're currently at audible.com, and let's read first the information about Audible Creator Program. So they have two versions. They have the Amazon Associate Program, where you're first going to promote Audible through Amazon Associate. So Amazon Associate is a separate affiliate program that you guys could sign up for. Then you're going to drive traffic to Amazon.com using Audible links and banners, and then make or earn money when visitors buy Audible products and services on Amazon. So it's like a collaboration between Amazon and Audible, where you will be able to earn money upon successful purchases from visitors, of course. And there's information over here like how the fee structure would work, as you can see, and other information such as percentage, how much they will be able to get, different information or different benefits that people will be able to get. Also, there's also a creator program that they have over here, where for this one, you're going to be or you're going to have a 30-day free trial of Audible with your own custom URL, and listeners go to the Audible landing page and you get 15% commission for each trial you generate. So, whenever people listen to an audiobook or something from your Audible, you will be able to earn money through that as well. So, this is mainly for audiobook, and as you can see, every time someone signs up through your custom URL, you get a $15 commission, which is really great. It's very consistent. And as you can see, we track your hits and play each month. You hit the $30 payment threshold, as you can see. Aside from that, you could apply for both of these options. For creator program, you can click here to sign up, and you will be able to sign up with a link. So wait, let me go back to the other one. And for this Amazon Associate program where you collaborate them, you simply click on this button, which will redirect you to this page. Now, I would recommend that you do this version because it's going to be two different affiliate programs. So you could earn money through Audible, and you could throw money through Amazon's own uh, program. So like their own associate or affiliate program. So over here, this is the registration for the Amazon affiliate or associate, and this one is for Audible. So for the Audible or the partner program or creator program, it will be through Impact over here. So I think I already have an account in Impact over here. And what you could do is you could easily sign up in Impact. And then you could easily create. There's not much blockage, or that's not much information that you need to provide. You will be able to easily log in or easily create an account in Impact and access its features. And you could easily look for different partners alongside Audible over here. So Impact contains multiple partners, not just Audible. So there's other type of brands out there as well. So if you prefer the creator program option over here or the offer, you should start and set up with impact.com or through the link provided over here. And you could apply depending on the requirements. Still, there are some requirements or like eligibility for this type of affiliate program. So make sure that you do that as well, or we read into that. But the common thing or the most important thing I think when it comes to joining affiliate programs is to have an audience. So later on, with this example, the Amazon Associate, you might be able to see the importance of having built or having an audience to talk to or having an audience to promote your content to in the first place. So over here, as you can see, the first step when creating your Amazon Associate account is to enter your information. So there are information over here such as your payee name, where this is going to be your name that is going to appear on your check. So make sure that you enter properly. Then you have your address line, your city, state, postal code, stuff like that. So this is just for your information, like your basic information. So I already have this one over here. Click on next. And over here, this is what I was saying why having an audience is important. I think it's important to be a social influencer. Not really a social influencer, but you should have you're a creator. You should have an audience. You should have platforms that you are integrated in so that you could promote links or products from Amazon. And then, as you can see here, one of the steps that is being required are putting in the list that you have, whether it's your blogs or your application. You should put them over here because this will be a very important factor in the consideration of your account. Because, of course, they would prioritize someone who has a social standing or rather an audience over someone who has no way to promote their product. So they would benefit more on someone or accepting someone who is actually able to reach out to people. And after filling out the form, it's not automatically going to say that you're now part of the program. You're going to still go through a process that they will be reviewing, of course. But after this, as you can see here, yes, click on, let's say no, we go confirm. And then after that, it's going to now allow you to set up or enter necessary information about your profile. So you could enter your preferred associate store ID. So we could say, I'm not sure what's supposed to be placed here. You can explain here the content that you create. As you can see, it's even part of their question, and they are assuming that you are a content creator if you're trying to shoot for an affiliate program. So simply here, explain what you do, explain the type of content, explain how relevant the content you will be making with Amazon. Be descriptive, put in necessary information. Don't yap too much or don't put too much or don't put unnecessary information because it's very important to be concise and be able to tell the information or tell the content directly. Then you could also put here what best describes your content. You could put your information over here, and then you could put in how did you hear about us, stuff like that, and also information. And then after you finish this up, you will now be able to do the final process. But this is up to like a final confirmation with Associate Central over here. But anyway, that is the process for the Amazon Associates program. For the impact, it's more on just a very simple, typical creation of account, and then you will be able to try and apply. So it's a very similar process. It's just another platform or another third-party platform that they are going to pass through or connected to. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.